Namaskar. Many people carry the weight of their mental fatigue without even realizing it. You may feel tired even after a full night's sleep. You may find yourself irritable, distracted, or overwhelmed by small things. Often, this is not a physical tiredness, it is a mental clutter. In yoga, we say that mind needs rest just as much as our body. And one of the simplest ways to do that is through breath awareness. Today, we will understand how the breath can help you to detox your mind. And at the end, we will guide you short 2-minute practice. You can do it anytime, anywhere, and it can help you feel calmer and more focused. And at the end, I will also give you a special tip to manage negativity and negative thoughts. So let's understand how breath awareness works in clearing your mind. In yoga, breath is called prana, the life force, and the state of your breath is directly linked to the state of your mind. Throughout the day, your mind collects impression. From the moment you wake up, you are exposed to news, conversations, notifications, tasks, worries, and endless distractions. Each of these leaves a trace, and slowly, without realizing it, the mind becomes crowded. When the mind is like this, it becomes disturbed. And when your mind is disturbed, your breath becomes shallow. You may feel confused, anxious, or emotionally exhausted. Small things may start to bother you. Even restful activities may not feel restful anymore. But when your mind is calm, your breath becomes deep and steady. This connection works both ways. If you learn to observe your breath, even for 2 minutes, it can help you pause endless flows of thoughts and emotions. It brings your attention to the present and helps your mind settle. This is not a technique to control the breath. It is simply about observing it quietly without judgment. And over time, it just becomes a habit that clears the mind naturally. Now let's practice a 2-minute guided breath awareness. Sit comfortably, be on the chair or on the floor. Keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. If possible, close your eyes gently, or you can lower your gaze. Now give your attention to your breath. Just notice it where you feel it, in the nostril or your chest or your abdomen. Let it be natural. You are not changing your breath, only observing. As the breath comes in and goes out, with each breath, allow your mind to rest. If a thought comes, gently return to your breath. Feel the cool air as you breathe in. Feel a warm air as you breathe out. This inhale, exhale. Let your breath flow like a gentle wave in and out. If the mind wanders, just return to the breath with kindness and patience. Now take one more gentle breath in and slowly breathe out. And gently, you may open your eyes now. Now, at the end, let me also give you a practice to deal with your negative thought. That is Pratipaksha Bhavana. This technique will help many of you being in a constant negative state that has become a big problem in your lives nowadays. What you have to do is, in this technique is, whenever your mind has negative thoughts, you have to replace it with positive thoughts. For example, if you feel upset because someone is interrupting you, try to shift your focus something you value about them. Maybe they are supportive, maybe they have a good sense of humor, or are always willing to help when you need them. Slowly train your mind to look at the brighter side instead of getting stuck on the negative. So use Pratipaksha Bhav to deal with overly negative thoughts and use breath awareness for mental detox. This breath awareness practice can be done anytime when you feel overwhelmed or restless. Even 2 minutes of quiet breathing can help you feel centered and present. We do not have to wait for a perfect time. You only need to pause, sit quietly, and have a breath awareness. When your breath becomes your friend, mind slowly begins to heal. So take care of your mind. Namaskar.